Yeah. Sad.
Sucks.
Yeah. Love you, Trin.
Love you too.
Love you more.
No.
Yes, I do. We got some bad news. The GoPro took a dump.
It's still like making noises. I think your screen's just fried.
My Trin?
You only drank 3.
Yeah. She tried to limit me to 4 last night.
You had at least 6 or more.
No, it's like we had like 7 for
You
sure.
guys are terrible.
Y'all finished the box?
There was one left in there.
Oh yeah.
In my bag. And I gave Kate a few, gave Trin a few.
No, yeah, I was shotgunning. I got them.
Trin.
My abs hurt. I want to do abs again.
They hurt and you want to do them again.
Well, yeah, because they hurt. Which ones they're, it's right now. They're ready to go.
Trin, you're
They're ready
dark.
for more.
I guess that works.
I think so.
How,
4
yeah.
to 5 days a week. I get lazy.
Every day except
Oh.
Sunday, just for God.
Some of us work 60 to 70 hours a week.
Excuses.
Gotta pay my bills and support my kids.
Kids.
You choose to work at night. I would never work at night. I'd work in the morning. So
And when I come down to tech, you gotta give me some bitches. Trin.
we can do that.
Trin is the worst wingman.
You know, my car will definitely make it to tech.
Do we?
Just saying.
It's a new. How many miles do you have on it right now?
46,000.
Hey,
How long
Trin.
ago did you get this?
I bought it at like 40 some.
Trin.
Okay.
Trin.
It's not brand new, it's pre-owned.
Okay.
You promise you won't avoid them like you did last time?
Oh, that's so mean.
No guarantees.
Dandruff from your hair.
I know it's bad. Oh damn.
Bobby.
I don't know.
It's like a BR wasp. It's like one of those.
She got stung. 20 points.
You okay? No. Oh, that was so like bad. Okay. No, it hurt.
Just wait for it to welt up.
Oh my gosh. It literally was in my lip. Like,
Yeah.
Josh just had to pull it out.
You know, bro.
Dude, I hate because I had a fly into my ear before.
Ooh.
And it was like buzzing.
Oh, I don't feel good.
Need water?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, drink that water, Trin. She almost got hit by a water bottle because of me. He's a hero.
I am.
You're Ellie's hero right now.
Yeah,
What is life,
It was
honestly?
in my hair.
Yeah, it was in your hair at first.
Then started coming after me, but probably stung you and then ran away.
No, it stung her and then came after you.
Yeah, but it couldn't sting me because she already took the stinger. Appreciate it. But no, you can see it. Like, look right.
Stop. It hurts so
there.
bad.
Hold
I
up.
can
See
feel
it?
my
You see the
lip.
light on it?
I can
Sure.
feel my lip.
Yeah, it's
Stop.
I'm zooming in.
Oh.
It's the venom.
Bro, that shit big.
It's not big yet.
It's
That's-
Really not. You
It's literally
exaggerate.
not- You literally can barely see
It's gonna
it.
take time. Like by the time you see like your lip, probably like.
It'll probably look like a.
By the time I see you Sunday, that shit can be huge.
It's throbbing.
Well, duh.
I feel like I'm bleeding.
You're not
On the inside.
Maybe
Well, yeah, the
inside.
venom's probably doing something to your blood, of course.
Trin, you're
And it's in
big.
your lip, so it's gonna probably rush to your head.
Trin, you're a bigger baby than I am.
She'll be fine. Yeah, it's just if you're not allergic, she'll be perfectly fine.
I don't know if I'm allergic or not.
Have you ever been stung by a bee before?
Like a long time ago when I
Yeah,
was
but
younger.
you're not allergic, then yeah.
Trin, I hope you're allergic.
Because if
If we
you,
got ibuprofen, anyone?
we can
Yeah.
go back. But no, if you're not allergic
It
to
could be
bees, you'll
your
be fine.
last.
Because if you'd have got stung as a kid, you probably would have swelled up and probably almost
Totally.
died.
Pretty good.
Trin swelled up.
No, she'll be fine if she's not allergic.
It's gonna burn.
But you can just see it though.
Yeah, Josh. You can
You're gonna get Trin paranoid, like she's fucking dying.
Literally, you cannot see it.
Like she's
at
in a
all.
dying ODA, like chill out.
Hey, when I zoom in, you can. She's gonna want to kick my ass.
It hurts so bad.
She's gonna want to kick my ass.
What?
Trin, fight the wasp's baby. Fight the bee's baby. By me?
You literally cannot do this right now.
Come here.
Josh, you don't have water.
Me get water? Me get a water bottle?
I have one. I don't know where to put it. I literally can like not feel right now.
You gonna call in for work?
I can't.
You can't?
I don't think so. Oh, I don't remember.
How was your camping trip?
It was really good. 10 out of 10.
What do you say?
I don't
10
think I
out of
didn't
10.
Vlog, I would rate it ups and downs. I would rate it like I had like 4 or 5 out of 10. Like some parts were 10, but I was in the hospital all weekend, so I feel like I'm.
It was the most bullshit thing ever that Z got put in the hospital, but it's okay. Health comes first. But I was sad.
Yeah, I felt like I missed out on stuff.
You can see like.
Dude.
I cannot stop zooming in on my face.
Yep, the bee is getting to her brain. The venom is getting.
Hive, cough,
Are you gonna come visit me at college?
asthma.
Alright, bet.
Take 2 or 3.
Oh, back Trent's back in 2016.
Bottle flip.
The container just breaks.
Hey, all y'all about to get hit.
Like that, and then I did. I'm not actually gonna do it.
Yeah, don't actually do it, but you're
I'm
also drugged on like.
I'm not actually gonna do it, but
What are you talking about?
I did. So while that was in the air,
Oh, you
I
found your
did like
keys.
a cartwheel, and then instead of putting this leg down, I tried to go straight back into a back walkover underneath of it, and then I came at a bad angle, and my knee just went.
And then she
I
said,
remember getting the call, bro.
waiting on the fire department.
Wait, was it?
And the fire truck and the ambulances
Dude,
came,
I
and I
wanted
got
to do
really
color
fucking
guard
high.
so bad. But I love marching with my saxophone too much to do color
Marching.
guard.
See, I didn't mind marching
Played
with my
saxophone for 6
clarinet.
years.
I love drum major, but I also love majorette, so that's why
I could never
did.
be a drum major, bro.
Oh, drum major was so fun.
No.
Wait, what's
Me and
the?
Nick, anytime like we're together listening to music, we'll conduct together because we were both drum majors. Me and Liv did it one time because Liv was too. So we're all cool.
Wait,
I
you're
just played
gonna have to
saxophone
explain to me what
with
that is.
A drum major is the person who conducts the marching band.
Oh,
You know, is up there going like
some
this.
notes.
oh yeah.
That's the drum major.
Nah.
Performance. People.
Oh my god, I have to.
I wanted to Yager you, but I decided not to.
You wanted to what?
Yager you.
Car,
No,
bro.
please
I
don't.
need to
I know.
drive home.
And then I thought about it, and then I decided not to.
Like,
Whoa.
put the stick in my hair. Stop.
Don't even.
What, Z?
Yeah, she knows not to fuck with me.
This is my bee spotter, actually.
That's just gonna make it more angry.
Yeah,
I
it's
swear
gonna
to God,
fuck
if
you
you do
up.
that again and it breaks.
Yeah,
it,
this bitch
yeah,
wants
I'm
more?
gonna fucking-
This
I'm gonna
bitch
get
wants
the
more?
stinger and put it
This
back
like,
in your
go.
This bitch had
Scared of her, like,
Oh, there's-
better at this point, bro.
I literally just the glare on my
this
phone.
bitch, beast thing. I'm gonna give this bitch 2 more ibuprofen. Fuck that.
Jeff, thank you for taking the stinker out of my leg.
Was it like poking out?
Yes, I legit went like this and went.
Well, I
Dude,
looked
kid
in
you
my,
not,
I was
Josh
in the
becomes like a
car,
mother, bro.
so I like felt it in my hair buzzing, and then
Yeah,
I
as soon
looked,
as she flipped her
I looked
hair
in
over,
the
it was
mirror
all
after
over.
it stung me because I like went like this and I like started swatting it, and I looked in the mirror and I just see this little black peg sticking out, and then I got out of the car and freaked the fuck out.
I'm just ready for you to swell up. It's gonna be funny.
I'm not afraid
Why
of a
not?
fucking bug. I'll fucking.
Why are you so scared of my mom?
Look at the bees.
Are there any bees over there?
What is it?
No, there's not. The only reason why they want to be in here is because
It's
it's
literally right by you guys. It's literally right by you guys.
she's literally running, bro. She is literally. Yeah, Chin.
tell you a story. So I was going.
You are not the father. What shit is? Bro, is that giving you a panic attack? I've never seen you flip out this much.
It's literally following me. Like they keep landing on top of my head. I don't want to leave.
She has to follow her. Do you have lice?
No, I don't have lights.
I've never seen a pop.
That's what I've never had that. Here, I just think I was in my loop. This is all bubbling up right now.
Did you get ice?
I don't have any.
You go to the store and get some?
No, it's fine. I had some at my mom's. I just don't have any over here.
Who's the saddest part about leaving?
I know.
Camping is leaving. Love you, Trin.
Your phone connected to my stereo.
It's okay. I'm putting it on Apple CarPlay right now. I love you. Drive safe. Let me know when you get home.
When are we gonna go back to Texas?
Soon.
Soon?
Don't tell him that. You won't give it up.
Probably like winter.
Winter? Winter break?
I don't know. We'll see.
Alright. The Alaska trip next year. You're bragging because of her car.
I worked my ass off to get this car.
Yeah,
I didn't have a cosigner or anything.
Good job.
Yeah, like I thought I couldn't get it because I didn't have a cosigner, and then they looked at my credit, and like I had a big down payment, and they looked at my income and my like work history, and they were like, you know what, we got a lot of options we can give you.
So I hope you didn't do buy here, pay here though.
No.
Don't ever do that. I don't care how.
Thanks for being my best friend.
Yeah, always.
Give me a hug.
Yeah.
I love you too. Oh, sorry. Love you too.
Love you.
Have a safe trip home.
You too. Safe travels. See
Thank
you
you.
Sunday.
See you tomorrow. Come drop you Burger King.
Okay, I'll be there at noon.
Okay. And then I'll see you Sunday. Yeah, I'm not your favorite.
Huh?
I'm not your favorite.
I'm just going on the line.
That looks healthy.
How's your lip?
It feels okay. It's just like kind of numb still. I gotta take that.
It's good.